Welcome back to the Anker SOLIX channel. Today, we're looking at something genuinely groundbreaking. This right here is the Anker SOLIX E10. It's the world's first smart hybrid whole home backup system. You might be wondering how the E10 compares to a portable power station like the F3800 Plus here, or a conventional home energy storage system like the X1. Well, no worries, because today we're going to walk through the tech specs, the usage scenarios, and the price points to help you figure out which backup system fits seamlessly into your home and lifestyle. First, let's define what we're looking at. The F3800 Plus is a large portable power station built for maximum flexibility. It delivers reliable power on the go while also serving as the most accessible solution for short-term, moderate demand home backup. It can be integrated with your home electrical system during outages, but equally works great in RVs and off-grid cabins. On the other hand, you have conventional home energy storage systems like the X1. Now, this is a premium professional stationary system with net metering support built for extreme performance and maximum energy independence. However, it requires significant upfront investment and installation commitment. The E10 takes home energy to the next level. It's the world's first smart hybrid whole home backup system, combining the adaptability of a power station with the scalability and reliability of a conventional home energy system. Its seamless hybrid integration delivers virtually infinite home power, offering a compact, high-performance solution with lower costs and faster deployment than the X1, while exceeding the capabilities of the F3800 Plus. Now, what can these things actually run? This is where the differences become clear. Now, the F3800 Plus is no slouch. A single unit gives you 6 kilowatts of continuous output. It can easily handle heavy appliances like washers and dryers, and because it outputs both 120 and 240 volts, it's perfect for essential home circuits or heavy-duty outdoor setups. Beyond portable use, the F3800 Plus can be paired with a transfer switch, inlet box, or the home power panel to integrate with your home electrical system, providing backup power for essential circuits when the grid goes down. Now, the E10, it's in a different weight class. It delivers 10 kilowatts of turbo output per unit for up to 90 minutes, with a baseline of 7.6 kilowatts of continuous output for everyday loads. That's not just a short spike like the peak power of the X1 or F3800 Plus, which lasts only a few seconds. You can scale up to 3 of these units for 30 kilowatts of turbo output and 22.8 kilowatts of continuous power. Now, why does this matter? Well, most households only need high power in short bursts, like cooking, laundry, or busy mornings. 10 kilowatts for 90 minutes covers these peaks, keeping your home running smoothly during outages without compromising comfort. Beyond output, there's another critical spec for home backup: startup power. Now, this is what determines whether you can actually fire up that essential AC unit during a heat wave when you need it most. A single E10 unit like this, with 2 batteries, pumps out up to 37.2 kilowatts of startup power. That's 155 locked rotor amps, or LRA, easily firing up to a 5-ton central AC. If you go with a dual setup, and you're looking at 66 kilowatts of startup or 275 locked rotor amps. That's enough to kick a 5-ton and a 3-ton central AC on at the same time, something the F3800 Plus or X1 simply can't achieve. While the E10 can be paired with a power strip and trolley for portable, standalone use, it's designed for serious home integration, and that's where it really shines. It works with transfer switches, inlet boxes, or our smart inlet box. But if you want the ultimate setup, pair it with the Anker SOLIX power dock for a direct 200 amp connection to your home's electrical system, matching your main panel and powering every circuit in your house. Now, power is one thing, but how long will it last? Well, the F3800 Plus starts with a base capacity of 3,840 watt hours in its integrated inverter battery unit. You can expand it up to 53.8 kilowatt hours with dual units and 12 expansion batteries connected with cables. It's super flexible. You can just take the main unit on the go while keeping the expansion batteries at home for extended runtime when you return. The E10, on the other hand, is built for much larger capacity needs. Like the X1, it has a modular design with separate power and battery modules, each battery pack at 6 kilowatt hours apiece. You can scale up to 90 kilowatt hours of battery storage using 3 power modules and 15 battery packs. The best part? The modules stack together without any cables. Whether it's daily outages or week-long blackouts, you can build exactly the setup you need in a clean, efficient footprint. Now let's take a look at the input and charging parameters of both of these units. This is where the infinite backup claim really comes in. Now, both can charge from the grid, but the E10 does it faster, and the real game changer is the solar and generator integration. With the F3800 Plus, with dual MPPT, that's maximum power point tracking solar inputs, it can take up to 3.2 kilowatts of DC solar input using 6 Anker SOLIX 440 watt rigid panels. For generators, it supports 240 volt AC generators with 6 kilowatts of available pass-through power. The E10, on the other hand, also with dual MPPT solar chargers, takes solar much further with 9 kilowatts of DC solar input using up to 18 Anker SOLIX 440 watt rigid panels per unit. That's nearly 3 times the F3800 Plus. Plus, when paired with the power dock, it can connect with third-party AC PV systems, both on-grid and off-grid, just like the X1, unlike the F3800 Plus, which cannot handle AC solar while off-grid. For generator capacity, the E10 handles 120 volt or 240 volt portable AC generators with up to 9.6 kilowatts of pass-through power. With the power dock, you can connect up to 24 kilowatts of AC generation and even standby generators. If you pair it with the Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500, it runs on gas, propane, or natural gas and is 5 times more efficient than traditional generators thanks to its DC range extended technology. The E10 Smart Hybrid solution combines battery, solar, and a DC generator into a single seamless energy system, providing virtually infinite backup from a variety of sources. Now it's 2026, so these things better be smart. Let's take a look at the intelligent features of the systems we're talking about. Now, all 3 systems share the same core smart features: real-time monitoring through the Anker SOLIX app, StormGuard that automatically prepares and charges your batteries ahead of predicted outages, and a 20 millisecond seamless switchover when paired with the transfer equipment like the home power panel or power dock when the grid drops down to keep your power flowing. What sets the E10 apart is its intelligent 12-circuit management when paired with the power dock. You can control each circuit individually in the app, set custom priority levels, and automatically maintain essential loads when the battery drops to your chosen threshold to keep them running. This is the level of granular circuit control that isn't available on the F3800 Plus or even the premium X1 system. For generator users out there, the Smart Generator 5500 from Anker SOLIX adds intelligence by monitoring its own health and scheduling maintenance automatically. No manual logs and no guesswork. What's more, the generator automatically pauses during quiet hours, so it won't disturb your neighbors or your sleep. Together, these smart features create a truly automated, worry-free backup experience that you can enjoy day in and day out to keep your power flowing. Now let's talk about how these products combine to save you money. Like the F3800 Plus and the X1, the E10 can also slash your power bills. It works seamlessly with solar systems and grid connections through the AC coupling feature, making use and storing 100% of excess solar power and off-peak electricity to avoid expensive peak rates and maximize your energy use of power when it's cheap and made at home. Comparing these units wouldn't be complete if we didn't talk about what the installation process looks like. The F3800 Plus works right out of the box, but it must stay indoors. It's not waterproof. If you want home integration, an electrician can install the home power panel in about a day. The X1, while offering the same NEMA 4 waterproof rating as the E10, requires full professional installation that can take up to 30 days. The E10 strikes the perfect balance. With the NEMA 4 rating, all system components are weatherproof and work outdoors or indoors, even the smart generator. Only the smart inlet or power dock requires an electrician. Everything else is plug and play. You can choose the smart inlet box for a fast, affordable setup, or the power dock for advanced automation, and most installations are done in under 7 days. Plus, we offer a full installation service that is more affordable and reliable, making setup and installation completely effortless. In summary, here's the bottom line. If you need portable flexibility with solid home backup capability, the F3800 Plus delivers excellent value with quick deployment and dual-use versatility. But if you're serious about comprehensive whole home backup, with the ability to run central AC, scale to massive capacity, integrate advanced solar and generator systems, and manage every circuit in your home intelligently, the E10 is in a completely different league. The E10 is the world's first smart hybrid whole home backup system, bridging the gap between portable power stations and professional stationary systems. It offers the performance and scalability you need without the complexity and cost of premium systems like the X1. If this comparison helped you understand which backup solution fits your home and lifestyle, subscribe to the Anker SOLIX YouTube channel to learn more about the E10 and other cutting-edge power solutions. Drop a comment below and let us know, are you considering upgrading to the E10 Smart Hybrid system, Or does the F3800 Plus flexibility better match your needs? Anker SOLIX, the only backup power you need.